Hey, good Saturday afternoon, morning, or evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a special Saturday market intel brief here at Top Gun Options. My name is Matthew Buckley. My call sign is Wiz, and hopefully you got a chance to attend our solo Amazon brief on Thursday at 1 p.m. Action-packed. If you didn't get a chance to attend, make sure you go watch the replay sometime this weekend. It's at go.topgunoptions.com/solo replay. Solo meaning this is the only stock we trade in this live brief service, and replay because that's where the replay is. So folks, make sure you watch the replay because we fired a couple trades on Thursday on Amazon that absolutely crushed it. We put on a bear call spread that expired for a max profit in a day, right? Thursday to Friday of $2,000. Then I did what is called an iron butterfly, not the band, an actual tactic, folks. And an iron butterfly, let me explain how this trade went from potentially a max loss of $5,000. I had a bear call spread on Amazon that was really underwater. You know what I did? I put on a bull put spread down here and the same exact short strike. I sold the 124 call and I sold the 124 put. Now, that sounds like you have two short legs at the same strike. You do. That's called an iron butterfly. And look at what happened yesterday with Amazon. Open, got a big pop, and then what did we do for about 8 hours? We up, down, hit it, up, down, at 124. So the whole day that goes by, an iron butterfly, ladies and gentlemen, is a credit spread. Remember, when you sell something, let's just say you're a used car salesman, right? And so you're selling used Ferraris, and some guy comes in there with his midlife crisis, pulls out of the parking lot, squeals the tires out of the parking lot, and you're walking back to the office counting all the cash, right? Guy gets halfway home, wife calls and says, dude, midlife crisis over, go drop it off. If that guy pulls back in the parking lot, are you buying it for what you just sold it at? Of course you're not, right? It's called theta. It's called time decay. We've all bought in cars before, and we know when the second we pull off the parking lot, it's called what? Depreciation, theta, time decay. So as the trading day went on, and it hovered literally around 124 for the longest time, we got theta, time decay. So I ended up exiting that iron butterfly right around here, and it made, instead of potentially losing $5,000 on a bear call spread that was underwater, by legging into an iron butterfly and putting on the bull put spread, it made $1,000. Okay, I can teach you how to do all of this stuff. Turn a potential max loss trade into $1,000 profit is pretty damn cool. And, oh, by the way, I also added a repair trade. We threw another bear call spread on Amazon above that made the $2,000. So essentially in 2 days, folks, this week, $3,000 just in Amazon, ladies and gentlemen. What is it? Month to date in this portfolio, folks, we're up over $30,000 in Amazon itself. How? We have synthetic stock positions on. We are long-term bullish on Amazon out a couple years into the future. And take a look at the recent performance of Amazon. Liftoff. So in the past month and a half-ish or so, Amazon has been on a tear. Now, I think we're topping out a little bit here, and we're going to give some of this rally back. But with our spreads and all sorts of dogfighting going on, folks, we are absolutely crushing it in the solo. And this isn't even just this is the weekly options model portfolio. The solo Amazon portfolio, where we just trade Amazon, is doing better than this. So, folks, this is absolutely a great time to get in to our solo Amazon service. Like I said, if you didn't watch the replay, go watch it. Go.topgunoptions.com/solo replay. You ready for this? Going to the Panthers game tonight. Game 4 against the Vegas Gold Knights. Feel a victory. Ordered some soft pretzels for tonight for the suite. They were $120 for 16. 2 orders of soft pretzels, folks. For $97. $97, folks. You can get into solo Amazon for a month, and it doesn't magically rebill at a higher rate or anything. It's $97 a month. $97 a month, folks. TopGunOptions.com/solo-Amazon monthly. I'll post these links in the YouTube video in the comment section, or if you're got this video in an email from Top Gun Options, those links will be in the email. Folks, check this out. You get 3 skill-based manuals. If at the end of the month you're like, dude, I cancel my service, you still keep these manuals, folks, and guess what? They're $100. If you tried to buy these today at Top Gun Options, they're $197 for these manuals. You just made $100. Okay? Now, strongly recommend do the annual. It's a 25% discount. As a businessman, I'd love you to do the $97 a month for the rest of your life. As a good dude, I'm going to give you 25% if you do an annual. It's only $897 a month, which, by the way, is less than one ticket tonight for our Stanley Cup game. So, again, this one is TopGunOptions.com/solo annual, folks. And in 2 days of trading live, posted all these trades right here in our Hunters group and obviously over here in our Max Afterburner group, folks. $3,000 in 2 days. That's what? 3 years of an annual membership, folks. Essentially 3 years, a little over 3 years of an annual membership I paid for in 2 days of trading Amazon. Folks, this ain't hard. This is actually pretty easy once you put in a little bit of legwork and you do a little bit of studying, folks. And that's why when you buy your annual or your monthly this Saturday, you take the upsell, man. The upsell is only $195 and you get access to 8 training sessions. I will take you from, hey, this is the stock market, all the way up to advanced tactics, like that iron butterfly, okay? Building block approach, like I took at Naval Air Station Pensacola when I started flight training. Flight training was designed to take somebody who's never even seen an airplane before and turn them into a steely-eyed killer flying off an aircraft carrier in a short amount of time. I'm going to do the same thing with you. So please, 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 whether you do the monthly $97 or the annual 25% discount at $897, you have got to take the upsell. It's only $195 and the full throttle training. Okay, as soon as you log in, go over here to Full Throttle and start watching the training sessions. All right, scroll all the way down. Obviously, the more advanced tactics are up at the top since they were more recent, but scroll all the way down, man. Scroll all the way down. Full Throttle Options Session 2. Options Basic, calls, puts, volatility. Session 1 is on the previous page here. $195, folks. Take the training. Life's tough. It's even tougher if you're stupid. Do not try and get airborne with just, I don't know what I'm doing, okay? So, fantastic week of trading here at Top Gun Options. The weekly options model portfolio is crushing it. Our S&P 500 trades, we're pounding Lulu into the dirt. We've been doing a good job with Budweiser and Target as well across some other portfolios like the primary and accelerated retirement. These things are done. Look at this. Some people are like, no, Target's bouncing off the bottom here. I'm like, it's going to level for a couple seconds, and it's going to implode. So get ready to pound Target into the dirt even more. They are hemorrhaging money, and I hope they get sued. I hope they get hit with a bunch of shareholder looters. Looters, close enough. Investors. Look at this. Let's go out to a 5-year chart. We are at, look at this. The last time Target was at this price was before the scandemic or the plandemic, whatever you want to talk it, right here, COVID crash. Boom. And it has got, I think it's got $90 written all over it. I think it breaks 100 here, man. We're gonna pound Budweiser into the dirt. Again, I don't care if you agree, disagree, whatever your politics are. Who gives a shit? I'm gonna teach you how to make money off other people's stupidity. Look at Budweiser. It's gonna blow. It's a $45 stock easily. So we cover all this stuff in our other services. Obviously, Solo Amazon trades what? Say it with me. Just Amazon. For less than the cost of 2 orders of soft pretzels tonight at the Panthers Arena or a ticket to the game tonight, you can get into our Solo Amazon service. And again, men lie, trades don't. Here are all the orders, the trades from this week on Amazon and Lulu and some Apple that I placed, and we crushed it. Okay, I can't do anything else. I could drag you up to the water. If you don't want to stick your face in, don't do it. If you want to and you want to get airborne and learn how to trade options with Top Gun Options, do it now. Okay, have a great rest of your day. I'll see you at 10 a.m. Monday morning. That's when we do every Solo Amazon brief, every Monday, 10 a.m. Wiz, I work at Monday at 10 a.m. 80% of our members work, folks. I send out time-sensitive text alerts and emails if you can't be in the Solo Amazon brief. And then guess what we do after, I don't know, it takes about 15, 20 minutes for the recording to render. I post the replay on the Solo Amazon member page so you can watch it after work, after the kids go to bed. Boom. Let me show you real quick. Here's the Solo Amazon brief from Monday. Look at this. So this was Monday, ladies and gentlemen. So, hey, little commentary up at the top. Look at the bear call spread we did on Monday. The 131, I forgot about this trade. The 130, 131 bear call spread. Holy crap. This one made $2,500. I forgot about this trade. This was placed Monday. I was sitting here going, well, we are really crushing it in Amazon this month. I forgot about the $2,500. So you ready? That's $5,500 this week in Amazon profit. Forgot about that trade. Look at that, $2,500 because Amazon closed at what, like just under 124? And look, this was the 130, 131 bear call spread. What an idiot. I'm glad I did this brief, but I was going to show you when you just scroll down on the member page, this is where the replay is, okay? So we're going to have a blast. Again, Monday, 10 a.m., we'll see you in the live briefing room. The links are in the email. The links are in the the comment section of an email if you're watching this video in an email. Have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge fights on. Namaste, basi, and go Cats. I'll see you Monday morning.